snake plants. Bit of a story with them, and I might share that story as we're consolidating a bunch of these. I'm just gonna pull them all out and see what we've got to work with. These are in Cocoa Kua, and they've been in Cocoa Kua for a really long time. They've really done nothing. I learnt recently, Cocoa Kua needs to be buffered. And also castings. So maybe some worms have gotten in there. Because unbuffered Cocoa Kua doesn't make it easy for plants to get the nutrition they need. We're gonna replant these in some, oh, that's cool. I'm gonna put that aside, this tiny little baby one. We're gonna put it in some old soil that I've got sitting around over there, and I don't really know what to do with that old soil. You've got your rhizome roots. I'm having to consolidate a lot of plants that I have into bigger pots. And also this soil is really soggy, and there's just so much soil and medium here and not enough roots to take it all up. Let's put that to the side somewhere and get a new one of these, a new tub. Okay, this is a really good place to start because all of this is old medium. We're gonna put our snake plants in there, and I've got this and this, two of my last biggest tubs that I've got at the moment. I don't know, pick them out one by one, see how many we can fit in there. That's not too bad. Still fit a few extra in there. We could actually do the whole thing. I feel like this is probably gonna work out if we put all of them in here. Hey look, that's actually not too bad. Let's give it all a bit of a cuddle and backfill. I remember there was a couple of huntsmans hanging out over here somewhere. Not 100% sure where they've gone. Gonna make a mess everywhere. Just cleaned up in here. Just gonna try and make it into the middle. Get a whole bunch of medium to filter down to the bottom, in the middle. I think that's about as much as we can hope for right now. It's actually not too bad. I have a couple of these little guys waiting around as well, so I might do them in a sec, but let's take care of this one. This base is far too big. Undiluted worm tea. And I want the middle to get a bit wet as well. I believe this old medium's gonna do its job, and we'll get this thing growing big and strong, and then I'll replant it into a bigger pot when it's ready. Stick those down into the soil. Fingers crossed. Snake plant. Snake plant. I'll see you later, bye.